So starting out, we have what I'm going to be using as the parent, the square, and what I'm going to be using as the child, the star. Notice how each shape has its anchor point in the center of itself. So parenting is a quick and easy way to animate multiple objects at once based on the parent layer without keyframing multiple individual layers. You see that my parent has animations of scale and rotation, while my star doesn't have anything. Say I want the same keyframed animations as the parent onto the star child. So we'll go down here to this panel, select the quick whip on the child, and drag it to the parent. We can also do this in these drop-down menus here and select the parent. So now we see that the star has inherited the animations and the keyframes as the square. Now let's say I only wanted the animations and the keyframes of the rotation that the parent has. We can do this by pressing the shortcut R and bringing up both of the rotation panels and selecting the quick whip on rotation of the star and dragging it down here to the rotation of the parent. We'll see that the star's numbers for rotation here has turned red, and then when we play it back, the star only has the rotation but not the scale of the square. So I have a new composition here of stars with an animation that go up and down. They're a little off center, and I want to move them more into the center here without affecting their keyframes. You see, if I try to move them now, it'll affect their positioning keyframes. So in order to do that, I have to create a null object, which works as an invisible parent layer to parent multiple layers at once without affecting their keyframing. So we'd either come up here to the layers manual and select null objects. This little box will pop up, and it'll work essentially like parenting anything else. We select all of our layers again, and we'll take one of their pick whips and attach it to the null object. Now when we move this red box, it will move everything that we parented to it without affecting the keyframes.